We conducted a benchmark against the market, comparing to the tier 2 commercial enterprises, and then also the public enterprises in Namibia, and to an extent also private companies, market remuneration. And this was, we were assisted by PricewaterhouseCoopers. You know, they do this market benchmark surveys. They help us in that, to be able to come up with evidence to say the remuneration of NWR, how does it compare to the market? And they come up with findings, and what we are seeing now today is the implementation of those findings.